Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add skew effect on your button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we have simply added a button widget in our section. And now I just want to edit this button, and for editing this button you just need to move your cursor over the button and you will find a pen icon in the top right corner. You need to click on that, and in the left side settings you will find content settings, style setting and advanced setting. Right, you just need to move to the advanced setting, and in the advanced setting you need to scroll down and you will find a transform setting. You need to open that transform setting, and there you will find the skew, and in the skew you will find a pen icon in the front of skew, so you need to click on that to edit the skew. And here you can simply change the x-axis or y-axis as per your requirement. Right, so this is how you can add skew effect to your button in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.